If you're tired of your boring space, you can quickly and easily completely reimagine your room, your furniture layout, your home exterior, and even your landscaping in a matter of only minutes using just a photograph and ChatGPT. Today, we're going to use ChatGPT to do a room makeover, give you room design ideas if it's already empty, and we're going to go over how to turn a floor plan into a top-down rendered perspective to give you ideas about furniture layout. Let's go over how to take a photograph of a room in your home and completely renovate it or make it over in ChatGPT. First, let's add our image by clicking this plus icon, Add Photos and Files. This is a photograph I've taken of my apartment. Head down into the video description and copy the prompt for room makeover. Take that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt tells ChatGPT that it's a professional interior designer and to take this image and edit it according to how you would like. Currently, I don't like my coffee table, and the potted plants that I have are still in the plastic containers that you purchase the plants in. So I want ChatGPT to give me a better coffee table that I might like, and I'm not quite sure what pots I want for my plants, so I want it to suggest an option for me. In the prompt, you'll see edit instructions, and within these brackets, you're going to tell it exactly what you want it to change. Change the coffee table to a coffee table that better matches the interior design style of the room. Change the pots for the plants to pots that better match the interior design style of the room. After you told ChatGPT all the things that you want to change in the room, go ahead and press the send icon. Now it's working on creating an image for us. Here's my apartment now. And here is ChatGPT's suggestion on what coffee table I should buy and what pots I should buy. The coolest part about this is you can actually use photographs of your home and change some element of the exterior that you would like ChatGPT to give you a suggestion on. You can also do this with the landscaping of your home. You can see in the image that ChatGPT created, it did change my couch slightly, and it did change my media console. So in the end, a lot of elements of the image are going to be pretty darn similar to the original, but it's still working on making it extremely accurate. This is just where the AI models are at right now, but in the future, it should get better. One thing that's really impressive though, it did get everything else about the room or the architecture of the room correct. It got the right ceiling, the lamp that I had put in, the AC vent, the outlet on the wall. Even the apartment through the window looks exactly like it does in real life. If you click the image, it'll zoom into it. At the top left, you can see an X if you want to close out. Now let's see what we can do with an empty room. Whenever you want to create a new image, I suggest you start a new chat because previous images tend to influence the new ones. Head over to the top left and click New Chat. If you don't have this up here, click this Close Sidebar or Open Sidebar button. I'm going to add an image of my empty apartment. Go into the video description and copy the empty room design ideas prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now let's go through and fill out everything in the brackets. Let's try something like Scandinavian minimalism. This is a photograph of my living room. Personally, I like earth tones a lot. And small pops of muted color. I want to see a lot of wood and soft materials. In this room, I'm going to want a couch, media console, coffee table, a large assortment of houseplants, one TV, and a creatively designed rug on the floor. I'm also going to tell it to add any more elements that it thinks that the room needs. I want some abstract artwork and small functional decor. I'm going to take away lighting atmosphere because I don't want it to change anything about the lighting from the original image. I don't have any additional notes that I want to use, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that portion as well. Now let's hit send and see what we get. This is the before, and this is the after. Now let's take an architectural floor plan of your home or apartment, and let's see what ChatGPT can do with placing the furniture elements throughout it. And let's have ChatGPT give us furniture layout suggestions. Click the plus icon and add in your floor plan. Next, you want to go into the description of this video and copy the prompt for floor plan furniture layouts. Paste it into ChatGPT. Let's go with modern minimalism. It's useful if your plan has the rooms already annotated in it. If not, place it here. I am more concerned about the living room. The image has a bathroom, bedroom, living room, closet, and kitchen. For the color palette preferences, let's just type in trending color palettes. For key materials or textures to emphasize, I'm going to do natural wood. Under the essential furniture to include, I would suggest filling this out as detailed as you possibly can. Living room equals couch, coffee table, TV, media console, TV on top of the media console, potted house plants. After you're done, press send. This is the before, and this is the after. It's definitely still working on how to transfer information over from an architectural floor plan over into a perspective or rendered image. But as of now, it can serve to give you design inspiration for what you want to do. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe down below if you want to see future content just like this. Over there are 2 architecture videos that I think you'll really enjoy. And if you want to support the channel further, check out the Patreon. As a patron, you get a lot of great architecture related benefits, and your name gets featured at the end of the videos.